graph the following equation, and once you've got it graphed, you're asked to label the line with three different things. You should write the equation of the line near the line, right, and label the y-intercept, and also include a nice looking slope triangle on your line. So let's take a look at the equation. It's 5y minus 3x is 10. And I'm going to choose to manipulate this so that y is by itself and I can graph it in slope-intercept form. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and multiply. And yes, I'm multiplying both sides. If I want that fraction, or that number 5, to go away, I'm going to multiply both sides by 1/5. Because if we look at the left-hand side now, we have 1/5 times 5, and then times y. And 1/5 times the number 5 is just 5 over 5, or 1. So this becomes just 1y, or y. On the other side of this, on the other side of the equal symbol, I've got to distribute a 1/5 to each of these terms inside. So I'm going to write minus 3x times 1/5, and then I'm also going to have plus a 10 times 1/5. So if I look at this, 3 times an x times 1/5, that's the same as negative 3/5. I've got an x, and then plus 10 times 1/5 is, well, it's 10 over 5, but it's also just the number 2. So my equation in slope-intercept form is y equals negative 3/5 x plus 2. So I can graph that, of course, by starting at my y-intercept of 2 and then using this slope pattern of down 3 over 5. So I could start here at 2 and then go down 1, 2, 3, and then go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I have to go down 3 again, 1, 2, 3, and then over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, slightly off the screen there. So at this point I have 3 fairly nice points. So I'm going to grab a ruler and I'm going to extend this line through these 3 points. And I'll put an arrow on each end indicating that I know that this line is infinite and it goes on forever in both directions. We're also asked to label a couple things, so let's do that. One of the things is the y-intercept. So the y-intercept is at this point where x is 0 and y is 2. There's our y-intercept. Also a slope triangle, and if you look at this, here's a fine one where these dot pattern I was using. This is down 3 and over 5. So down 3 over 5. And the other thing, I'm supposed to write the equation of the line on it. So right here I'm just going to go ahead and write y equals negative 3/5 x and then plus 2. So there's my line. I've included the equation of that line, I've included the y-intercept, and I've shown the slope triangle down 3 over 5.